Automist SmartScan Hydra is the smarter, modern equivalent to a home fire sprinkler system. The Automist system is connected onto the mains water supply and can tackle fires using 1/10 of the water that conventional sprinklers use. A conventional sprinkler would typically output 60 litres per minute, whereas Automist Hydra suppresses the fire with only 5.6 litres per minute. Activated when triggered by multi-criteria heat and smoke detector, up to 6 heads will scan the room and determine which spray head has the best view of the fire. Once locked on, it will directly deliver a high-pressure jet of mist to suppress the fire. The wall-mounted position is chosen carefully to allow the water to go directly to the base of the fire, avoiding the evaporative layers of hot gases that conventional sprinklers have to contend with. Automist is commonly used to overcome building regulation issues such as provide a design and quote using your floor plans, offer both final fit, with some pre-install work completed by the client's contractors, or full install, attend site to finalise designs, issue commissioning certificates and warranties where applicable.